Now we have 3 cups of flour. So we're just going to add all our ingredients to the flour. So we're just going to add a pinch of salt because the fish is already a little salty. A pinch of salt. A pinch of black pepper. A pinch of garlic powder. Some oregano. We're going to add our dry thyme, our carrot, our pepper, scallion, and onions. And we're going to add our salt fish. We're not going to pour too much at a time. Now that our batter is ready, this is the right consistency. So oil is ready. So we are going to get some batter in our oil. So guys, know that you understand how the batter is made. If you want a banana fritters, all you guys to do is to crush 1 or 2 banana and add to the batter, and then you get banana fritters. So now that our banana is mashed, we're gonna just transfer some batter over here. So this one is done. So now we're gonna do our banana fritters. So guys, they basically look the same, but the taste is different. This is how you make saltfish fritters. These are saltfish fritters over here, and these are banana fritters.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Until next time, enjoy!